crafty friends, it's Caroline, and I am back today with a hashtag SatMornMakes. And Saturday Morning Makes is an open collaboration that's hosted by the amazing and wonderful Jillian Norwood over at Jill Norwood Designs. And it's a wonderful forum for crafters and artists and content creators to post what they're working on Saturday mornings using the hashtag SatMornMakes. This morning, as you may have seen from my intro, my kids and I participated in our school fun run, and that was a lot of fun. We got covered with colored chalk, and we have all gotten back home and taken our showers. I mean, we had it everywhere. And now I am going to start working on my Saturday morning makes. For today, I'm going to use one of the notebook inserts from my Traveler's Notebook style recipe book that I created here. And the one that I'm going to use is this one here with the kind of glossy paper on it. I've chosen this one because this is going to be dedicated as my recipe book insert. And I like the fact that there is this, glossy paper on it that will protect it, at least long enough for me to wipe off any spills or things like that might happen on here. So I'm going to go ahead and put this part away since we're just going to work in this notebook here. And I'm going to begin with Halloween recipes in here. Now, I'm going to insert some photos here for you guys to see. Every year I make a spider web soup for my kids for Halloween. It's basically just a really yummy tomato soup, kind of like a bisque, really. And then I do a spiral of sour cream on the top, draw a knife or a toothpick or something through it to create a spider web effect. And then we eat that with grilled cheese sandwiches. Sometimes I'll go so far as to cut the sandwiches with a pumpkin cookie cutter. Sometimes I don't. But it's basically grilled cheese sandwiches and tomato soup, and it's a wonderful meal for Halloween night. It's one of those things that we eat when we come home after trick-or-treating so that they're a little more full when I let them sort of have at the candy. Sometimes it works to prevent tummy ache, sometimes it doesn't, but you know. Anyway, so for today, I'm going to begin on this front page here, and I'm going to stamp some images and then write out the recipe because I think it would look really nice. Since I do the spiderweb soup every year, I'm going to use this stamp here that I purchased and recently highlighted in a haul video, and I want to use the spiderweb and the spider. And then we're going to title it Spiderweb Soup and write out our recipe. I'm going to go ahead and fast forward through this process so that you can sort of see the process, and then I'll meet you up here at the end. Y'all, it's nothing fancy. It's just a recipe written down so that I've got it in place. And I didn't even really write it in the right order. I typically put my seasoning in with the onions and the garlic, and I usually don't put the garlic in until after the onions have caramelized. So one day when I'm dead and gone and my kids are trying to figure out this recipe, they may have to reference this video or have some trial and error and figure it out. I don't know. I could rewrite it, but I think it's fine. I hope that you are clicking on the hyperlink for the hashtag SatMornMakes and look and see what everyone else is making. It's really amazing. And if you haven't already, please hop on over to Jill's channel. I'll have that listed in the link below, and make sure you subscribe and like and hit that bell notification. She's fantastic, and just make sure you show her some love. That's what I've got for you today. I hope you're having a fantastic day. I hope you're being kind to yourselves, and I hope you're finding some joy in your journey. Thanks so much, everyone. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.